Today I'm in a Lexus NX. This is a 2016 model. It's a beautiful car, but this model came with a really small 7-inch screen, no wireless Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. And so we want to introduce you to our latest product for this car, which is upgrading that 7-inch screen to a nice wide 10.3-inch screen that gives you wireless Android Auto and CarPlay. Let's show you how it works. Okay, so we've installed the new Lexion screen in this Lexus NX series. You can see there the wireless Apple CarPlay displayed up there on the screen. So just some really cool features about this system. Firstly, it's completely plug and play. It also connects into the factory microphone, so you don't have an aftermarket microphone mounted anywhere. We're using that factory microphone, and we also connect to the vehicle's Bluetooth system so that the audio quality of the Lexus Premium or Mark Levinson audio system still sounds absolutely amazing. It's also a Linux-based system, so the boot up time of this system is really fast. We also add some other cool features where we now can display some climate control information up there on the screen. We go down towards the radio here, and our factory dials are retained, and all these media buttons here. We can go into reverse, where you can see we completely retain the factory 360-degree camera system. And because the screen size is wider, we've now got that additional section there for the car park sensors on this vehicle. Now, as we go down to the trackpad, we can continue to use that just like factory, where we can go through and make our various selections instead of using the touch screen, because as we said, it is a bit of a reach from the driver's seat. If we want to go back to the factory menu, we just long press the menu button on the trackpad, and there you have all your factory menus and features as normal displayed there on the screen. To go back to CarPlay, again, long press the menu button, short press home, and that takes us back to our CarPlay screen. Okay, so as we mentioned earlier, the system here is based on Linux, which means it starts up and boots into CarPlay really quickly. So we want to show you just how quickly that happens. So if I turn the car off, just give it a few seconds for the system to shut down properly. So there we have the home screen, and we're booted into the Lexion system there. And then just in a few seconds, the CarPlay system will boot up. So there you have it. CarPlay booted up really quickly, and that's exactly what you want from a built-in system like this. So this system is available now. It retains all of the key factory features, and it is the perfect upgrade for your Lexus vehicle.